Hello everyone, welcomes you all. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can say these kind of sentences in English. बोलने में क्या जाता है, देखने में क्या जाता है, लिखने में क्या जाता है, उसे बुलाने में क्या जाता है, वहां जाने में क्या जाता है, उसे फोन करने में क्या जाता है, हाँ कहने में क्या जाता है. How you can say these kind of sentences in English? So let's take some examples. What goes to play? What goes to think? What goes to read? What goes to go there? What goes to drive this car? What goes to call her? What goes to try this? What goes to speak with him? What goes to write an application? What goes to read this article? What goes to disturb him? What goes to take this? And thanks for watching this video.